If I tell you, you can use a Cloud Code free lifetime, how it looks. So Cloud Code you can use with the Qwen 3.6 along with the Ollama, and then you can do all the coding generally which you do with the paid tools. Qwen 3.6 is so good that it can work like a charm. You can see all these games which you are currently seeing in the demo, all these are designed using the Cloud Code Ollama and the Qwen 3.6. This is really awesome. So I'm showing all these demo, all these we are going to see here live in this particular lesson, that how you can do all these by yourself. And everything is going to be in free. You can run it on your personal computer. For example, you can design all these games by yourself. So the first thing first, let's go ahead and download the Ollama. You can just simply come here at the Ollama download page. Thereafter, install the Ollama. Before that, obviously, you need to select your operating system. We are working here on Windows, so we select here Windows, and thereafter it is going to download here the Ollama, and then it will take some time to download. Once download is finished, thereafter you need to install it. After installation, you should be able to see a GUI something like this, where you have Ollama, and then you can select your model from here. Once this is done, thereafter come to the model part. In the model, select a model which you want to use. Today we are going to use here Qwen 3.6. Qwen 3.6 is such a small model that can run on your local computer as well. So this model have a total 35 billion parameter. Out of 35 billion parameter, only 3 billion parameters are active parameter. First of all, you need to make sure you pull this Qwen 3.6 locally in your PC. Once you have pulled your Qwen 3.6 locally, thereafter you need to launch it using the Cloud Code. Just simply come here, thereafter fire this command. This is going to launch our Anthropic Cloud Code agent. Basically, Cloud Code agent is really very powerful agent. So it is first going to ask here, do you want to trust this folder? Yes, I do want. Thereafter here you have got your terminal user interface. And you can clearly see here, API is not using any kind of the billing. Basically, a local Qwen 3.6 model is getting used. Excellent. Now your coding agent is ready here in no time. We can ask here a question. We can ask our coding agent to design a particular game for us. For example, let's see if I just say here, hi, it is obviously going to answer me. Thereafter, I'm going to ask here a question that is going to generate a game for me. For example, let's say I ask here, generate a space shooting game in single HTML file, let's say. All right. Thereafter, I say here, maybe in HTML file using Canvas API. Let's run this. So it has created the file. Now it is asking about whether I want to give the permission or not. Yes, allow all edits during this session. Let's run this. And then here you see Space Shooter is designed. Another game I'm going to design here. So what I do here, I ask here this one, create a single HTML breakout game with the paddle, bouncing ball, bricks and the score. Let's go ahead and run it. So this game is also created here. Now in meantime, what I did here, I asked my Cloud Code to design the another game that is going to be a Flappy Bird game in single HTML file. It has been working since last 4 to 5 minutes, and hopefully in some time it is going to give us the third HTML. Thereafter, I'll show you the demo. So Flappy Bird game is also designed. You can see here everything is designed and everything is written. Let's just scroll it down a little bit. You can see all the details here. Okay, cool. So everything is done here. Now it is time to test it. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to open the first one. That is the Breakout. Let's open it into a browser, or I would say that reveal it into the Explorer, and then I'm going to open it here. All right. So first one is the Breakout. Let's go ahead and put that here. Not there. Yeah, here it is. So let's test this one. So this is going to be here a breakout actually. All right. So you can see that how good this game is actually. Oops, sorry. Here you can see my lives here as well. And you can also control this through your mouse as well. This is really fantastic game. All right. You need to make sure you put your mouse cursor inside this particular block. Only then it will work. Right? You see how good it is. This is really fantastic. I really love these games. Wow. This is excellent. See how good it is. Cool, cool. Great. So this is the first game. I guess it was second game. The first game was our shooter game. So here is the shooter game. Space shooter game is here. So you can see here your ship is here. You have 3 lives. And thereafter, these are the space objects which you have to shoot it down. I couldn't shoot. I'm sorry for that. Oops. I couldn't shoot that as well. Yeah. Oops. Sorry. Only the 1 marks. I guess 10 marks I had only. Yeah. So this is how you can shoot it. Oops. Let me just shoot it here. Okay. So these I have to shoot. This is really awesome. Okay. So apart from this, we also designed the third game, that was the Flappy Bird game. So the Flappy Bird game is here, this one. So I really love this particular game. This is really a very good game. Okay, although I'm not able to play it much. Overall, this bird need to be passed through the pipes. Overall, I can get past 10 pipes max to max after hard trying. Design it by yourself and comment in the section. Comment in the comment section to let me know that how many pipes you can pass in this particular game. All right, this is all about in this lesson. Bye bye. Take care.